Oh God, I'm so late for work. I'm so late for work. Where's my watch? Where's my watch?
Here.
Oh, thanks, baby. Oh. Okay, so as you saw, I'm rushing to work, but I'm gonna share with you a really quick and a really easy recipe for making a green smoothie. Green smoothies are great. You can add a lot of variations to them. So I will give you the base recipe, but you can always add things like extra celery or extra spirulina or extra this or extra that. And once we're done with this smoothie, I want to hear your versions. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below and tell us how you like your smoothie done. First, we'll start by putting a cup of water. And then whether you have a lemon or a lime, you'll need to squeeze it. I am making this recipe for one person. Now, I would recommend putting 2 limes for 2 people, but in our case, we only have 1 lime and 1 lemon, so we will have to improvise. Now we're going to add 2 handfuls of spinach. Then we will add the ginger. I used 1-inch square of ginger. And last but not least, we're going to throw in the gum arabic. Oh, not last, we still have the chia seeds. Now, why am I adding gum arabic? This is not something you need to do, but I'm adding it for us because it's great for different health benefits, but some people might prefer not to. So whether you prefer or not, just add whatever works for you. And the chia seed, again, full of great health benefits. I will be adding 2 teaspoons, so that's 1. And that's 2. Same as the gum arabic, that was 2 teaspoons. And we are ready to start whizzing. Now, as I said, this is the basic idea of this green smoothie. You might prefer to add some nuts. You might prefer, instead of water, to use something like almond milk or coconut milk to make it creamier. You might decide to add some hemp seeds. You might decide to add your own variation or even nut butters. So you can do a lot of different things with this. We're in a rush, so we're doing the fastest, dirtiest version we can get away with. And this is it. Now we're going to close it and whiz it through. And we'll pour it into our glasses. This was a super low carb version of this green smoothie. Now you can spice yours up by adding a banana for 2 people or half a banana per person, or you can even add melon, not watermelon, just melon. It depends how you like it. Ours is not going to be sweet because there were absolutely no sweetening roots in there. Cheers to good health. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below and tell us how you like your smoothie done. See you soon, guys.
Right, from here to here, that's all in the video. And here is in the front.